Let's make some delicious quesabirria tacos. Have you had those before? They are so easy to make. Let's get started with what are the things that you're going to need. We're gonna start off with 4 pounds of chuck roast. And I love chuck roast. The reason is because it has a little bit of fat. So once my meat is cooked, I remove that fat, and that's what I dip my tortillas in to make my tortillas nice and crispy. Just a little hint right there, guys. We're gonna use 4 cups of water. We've got our water boiling already, and we're gonna use 1 of our birria bombs. While our meat is cooking, what you can get started with is chopping up some cilantro, chopping up some onions, shredding your Oaxaca cheese. But if you don't have Oaxaca cheese, guys, Chihuahua cheese is good, Monterey Jack cheese is good, mozzarella cheese. Any cheese that you choose is going to be delicious with your quesabirria tacos. We're gonna go ahead and get some lime, and then we're gonna go ahead and get some tortillas. Alrighty, our meat is cooked. We've already went ahead and strained it and shredded all of our meat. Here's our corn tortillas. And just like I told you guys, we use the oil from our meat and we dip our tortilla in there. This is what makes our tortillas nice and crispy and delicious. Here we go, let me dip it in here, just like that. And we put it on our hot skillet, just like that. We're gonna add our quesito, and we're using Oaxaca cheese today. There we go. And then we got some meat. Let's add our birria meat to it. Now this is personal preference. If you want to add some cilantrito to it, you can add some cilantrito to your taco. You can add some onions in there too, just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and fold our taco. And we cook it until it is nice and crispy on both sides. And that is how you make a delicious, full of flavor quesabirria taco.